Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this one I'm going to be using these flower foils with some gel polishes, and I really love how these nails turned out. I've got quite a few of these flower foils with the transparent background, and I've been wanting to use them for a while on a design, but I wasn't sure what to do. I didn't just want them on clear nails, but I didn't want them just on coloured gel polish either. So I decided to use some of my Beetles polishes, the ones that had the glitter in, and just put one coat on so that they were quite sheer. But then I didn't want the nail beds to be that sheer. So what I did was I got some of my Beetles polishes and I chose sort of a light peachy pink one and this lovely mint green one. And I used those for the nail beds. I did think that I had a flower foil with some mint green flowers on, but when I looked more closely, it was actually blue. So they don't go absolutely perfectly, but I still love the way they turned out. So yeah, I'm not being neat with this or anything. I'm just putting 2 coats of the gel polish on the nail bed area. And then I'm just trying to shape it so it's just like a basic nail bed area. It's not perfect or anything because it's going to be covered up with glitter polish and then the foil over the top. So I wasn't really too bothered about that. So I cure each coat of that for 30 seconds and then I go in with the glitter polishes. So now I'm going to go in with the glitter polishes, and I've got one that matches that peachy pink. And these are I think these are all from the Spring into Summer collection, so they're only really small bottles, but there's loads of different colours in there and the neons as well, but these pastel colours came with it as well, and I really wanted to use those because they really are like spring and summer colours. So I'm putting that over the entire nail, including the nail bed as well. Only one coat because I don't want it really thick. I don't want it to be opaque. I want you to still see through it. I want it to be transparent a bit. So yeah, I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. And then on the minty green ones, I'm using, it's like a light grey glitter polish. And then after that, I'm going in with the She Modern glue gel. And that's going to help me add the foil. It's a really, really good gel to use with foils. I never have any trouble when I use this. So that gets cured for 30 seconds as well before I put the foil on. Okay, so here is the foil. I absolutely love this blue one. It's gorgeous. And I love this one as well, this pink one. So yeah, I just want to do something that's got flowers on and using the foils, but it's not just over gel polish, because I've done that before and it does look really good. I really like the way it looks, but I just wanted something a little bit different. So what I do is I position it so that I've got the flowers where I like them, and then I'm pressing it on with my finger. And then I'm getting a cotton bud and I'm just rubbing it over the top, because you need to make sure that every piece of the foil is pressed down onto that glue gel so that the image comes off onto the nail. So I'm doing that for all the nails, and then I'm just going to use my Beetles top coat, the glossy one, just to seal everything in, and then that will get cured for 60 seconds.
take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me
So there's no polygel or builder gel or anything in this set. It is a really easy set to do. There's no real faffing about apart from the foil. And if you use the glue gel, then there's no, there's no trouble with it. You're not going to get patches. And even if you do, because it's see-through, it doesn't show up as much. So there they are. They're all finished. I hope you like this look. It was just something I wanted to do for you that was quite quick. But still looks amazing, and I love the way that the glitter shines through that foil. So yeah, I hope you like this too. Let me know what you think, and would you wear these, and have you got some of these foils? I'm thinking of getting more because I do really love them so much. I need to use them more. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you to all my subscribers, and I will see you in the next video. See you next time.